to explain all details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are used by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.8, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and reviews, etc. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.